I'm making a video every day until I meet Cleetus. I have an awesome project I want to build and bring to the Freedom Factory. But first, let me tell you why I want to meet Cleetus. I'm going to be a YouTuber no matter what. Failure is not an option. Cleetus inspires me. He started from the bottom.
I've had this thing for about a year now, but there's a button. It's magic. Oh, that's not bad. Doritos. Nice.
And now he's all the way at the top.
All right, guys, check me out here in the Black Rifle Niche Motorsports truck this Friday out of the Daytona International Speedway.
He's a pillar in the car community. Every content creator that I know and like knows Cleetus.
Thank you. I gotta say something about Mr. Freiberger here. This guy is incredible. I have followed you for so long, and it just warms my heart to have you part of all this. And thank you so much for your support and being here. And we're gonna have a lot of fun tonight, brother. Thank you.
Not only that, but anyone who likes cars or has anything to do with cars knows who Cleetus is.
Hey, you know what? We need a Dagon 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
And the guy has a freaking racetrack. That's awesome. I want to build a V8 go-kart and bring it to the Freedom Factory and do epic burnouts. I want to keep the go-kart looking just like a go-kart, pretty close to the same footprint, but mount this engine transversely because that's how it'll fit the best. I built this engine for $500. I have that, and then I went and I bought a go-kart for $100. Let's start by cutting all this off the back. The only problem is I kind of ran out of money. I can't justify spending any more at the moment because I'm not making any money on YouTube and things are just tight right now. And that's where you guys come in. I need your help. Please like, comment, subscribe. That way I can build this project. I really want to do it and I need your help to do it. I'm going to do my part. I'm going to post a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. I'm out of welding gas. I need a little bit more metal. And we need to figure out the clutch situation. That's going to be the most difficult part of the whole build. Please guys, leave me comments on all these ideas and I will see you guys eventually at the Freedom Factory.